Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sajid Ali and in today's video I will be solving the questions of second exercise of the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Okay, so if you are following a NCERT textbook, then you have the chapter as chapter number 8 and in that we are solving 8.2. And if you are a student of Karnataka State Board, then the chapter will be number it is at number 11, so the exercise is 11.2. That's why I'm calling it as the second exercise. Okay, irrespective of the book, in that chapter the second exercise. Okay, so we will solve the problems of the given questions, but before that you should know some basic things. First, it is that in this we are mainly going to use some rules. What are that rules? Means first you should be knowing about uh, multiplying or dividing the multiplying or dividing the roots value. Okay, square roots. If I write what is root 3 into root 3, you should be aware of this. This is root 3 square. Okay, and square of any number is how much? The number itself, correct? Root of square of any number is the number itself. So whenever you get something like this, it is 3. And what is root 3 by root 3? It is 1. Okay, root 3 minus root 1, root 3 minus root 3 is 0. Okay, and root 3 plus root 3 is what? It is 2 root 3. So you should be aware of the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of these root values. First thing. Second thing is you should be aware of the specific angles, the values of specific angles. What are they? Yes, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Mainly of sine, cos and tan. Okay, what is sine 0? 0, 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And cos is just the reverse of this sine value, 1. This is root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is 1 by 2 and this is 0. And tan is sine by cos. So you know that 0 by 1 is 0 and here you will get 1 by root 3. Here you will get 1. This is root 3 and this is not defined or infinity. Okay, so you should be aware of this thing. And third and most important is the LCM. Okay, if I write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, the LCM is what? You should know the addition of this fraction. By taking the LCM of denominator, you will get 2 3s are 6. And if numerator you have the same number, okay, just multiply 3 into 1 3 plus 2 into 1 2. So you should be also aware of this. This is 5 by 6. Okay, if you don't know how to get these 3 and 2, just take this number 1 by 2 into LCM, that is 6. Next 1 by 3 into LCM, that is 6. So 2 3s are, now 3 1s are 3. So that's why I have written here 3, and this is 3 2s are, so 2 1s are 2, that's why they have written 2. Okay, so you should be aware of these things. Okay, and here you can refer the table. This table we are going to use in this particular exercise. Okay, these three are enough because the rest, cosec is reciprocal of sine, okay, and sec is of cos and cot is of tan. So if you know these three, you can just reciprocate the values. Okay, there is no need of batting these three if you know the first three. Okay, so now let us start with our first question. But before that, if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it. If you find this video useful, don't forget to press the like button. Okay, so here we start with our first question. So this is our first question. What does it says? Evaluate the following: sine 60, cos 30, sine 30 and cos 60. So you should be aware of those values. Sine 60 is how much? Yes, it is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is, yes, how much? 1 by 2. Sorry, it is same, root 3 by 2, right? So here only I am getting confused. You should not be of that because it's very important. Behead them. Don't try to confuse. Behead it properly. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. In cos 60 is 1 by 2. Right? So try to write them in bracket. Since they are in the form of root, so write them always in bracket. Now multiply. Root 3 into root 3. This bracket means multiplication. It is root 3 square. Right? And what is 2 into 2? 4. That's all. Plus 1 into 1, 1. 2 2s are 4. So again here root 3 into square. Root 3 square is what? The same number itself, plus 4 divided by 1 by 4. Now the LCM is 4. So this remains the same. 4 by 4 you will get the answer as 1. That's all. Any doubt? No. So the answer of this question is 1. Moving to the second question now. We'll solve it here itself. So the question is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. So forget these two square and all. Just remember the values of tan 45 degree, cos 30 and sine 60. So how are you going to write? 2 into what is tan 45? 1. And they have written square. So 1 square plus cos 30 is how much? Yes, it is root 3 by 2. Okay, and then you have to write square here. Minus sine 60 is how much? Again root 3 by 2 whole square. On solving, 1 square is 1 and 2 into 1 is 2. Plus here you will get 3 by 4. Okay, square is there, and minus again 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 will get cancelled because that is 0. So you will get the answer as 2. That's all. It's very simple, isn't it? Yes. Now moving to our next question. I hope you are understanding them. Question number 3. What does it say? Yes. Cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 plus cosec 30. See, what else you can do if you can't write it directly. Write the values first. Cos 45 degree, then you have sec 30 degree, then you have cosec 30 degree. Okay. Okay, what is cos 45 degree? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Correct? Sec 30. You don't remember sec, but you remember cos, because cos is reciprocal of sec 30. So what is cos 30? See, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Right? So what will be sec 30? Yes, 2 by root 3. Just its reciprocal. Similarly, cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sine. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Right? So what will be cosec 30? It will be 2 by 1, which means only 2. Got it? Now substitute the values. So 1 by root 2 cos 45 divided by sec 30, that is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30, that is 2. Write it in bracket. Okay. Now on solving, in numerator we will get 1 by root 2 itself because they don't have any square and all. But in denominator, see, what can you do? Here if you see, LCM is root 3, right? Whenever you get plus and minus, try to do the LCM. Here nothing is there means it is 1. So root 3 into 1 is root 3. And the numerator is what? This is same, but this becomes 2 root 3 because this will multiply with LCM. Okay? I hope you have understood this step. Next, we'll do this thing. See, write this here 1 by root 2. Now this denominator, when you bring this to numerator, this gets multiplied and this will be written as root 3 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Got it? Yes, you have to write it like this. Next, multiply this. So 1 into root 3 is just root 3, right? And this is divided by, multiply this, 2 root 2 plus how much? Yes, this is 2, and 2 into 3 is how much? 6, because root 2 into root 3 can be multiplied. It will become root 2 into 3, and that can be written as root 6. So therefore I have written this much. Okay. So whenever you get an answer like that where denominator is the form of root value, okay, you have to rationalize it. Okay. So how are you going to do the rationalization? Yes, take a rationalizing factor, RF. What is that? It is a just inverse, means if this is positive, this will become negative. 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. This will be the its what? Yeah, this will be its rationalizing factor. You have to multiply and divide it by it. Okay? Yeah, like this. So now multiply this. So here you will get root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 whole divided by, now if you look at this, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, right? What is this? This is equal to a square minus b square. So just do that. So this becomes 2 root 2 whole square minus sorry, yes, minus what is this? 2 root 6 whole square. So numerator you can multiply, you will get 2 into 6 minus 2 into what is this? 6 3 is a 18, correct? And divided by, now here if you say this 2 square is 4 and root 2 is just 2, correct? Root 2 square get cancelled, square and root gets cancelled, and here is same 2 2s are 4, and here square get cancelled, you will get 6. Understood? I hope you don't have any doubt here. Now if you see here, we can take 2 common, correct? And this we can write it as root 6 minus root 18. Okay, and on solving you will get 8 minus 24. So further solving this, you will get root 6 minus root 18. Okay, and this is divided by how much? Here you will get how much? Minus 16, right? Yes. So on solving this you will get 8 minus 8. So the final answer will be root 6 minus root 18 divided by minus 8. Okay, you can keep this as your answer, or if you want to remove this minus, just multiply throughout by minus. Okay, so here you will get root 18, this becomes plus and this becomes minus root 6 divided by 8. Okay, you can keep this match as your answer, and if you want to solve this further, you can do it. How? See, root 18, can this be written as 9 into 2, right? Minus root 6 can be written as how much? Root 3 into 2, correct? Whole divided by 8. So this is 3 root 2 minus, here also if you can see, you will get root 3 into root 2, correct? Divided by 8. Now root 2 is common everywhere, isn't it? So you can take that common. If you take root 2 common, you will get 3 minus root 3 divided by 8. Okay, this is the answer. You can either stop here or just here, or even if you do it till here, that's fine. Okay, so this is a final answer. I hope you have understood. You can try it by yourself. Okay, moving to the next question now, question number 4. So if you see, this is the question. Sine 30, what is the value of sine 30? It is, I will write it here, 1 by 2 plus tan 45, 1 minus cosec 30. It is reciprocal of what? Sine. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this becomes 2 by root 3. Whole divided by sec 30. It is reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is, yes, it is also root 3 by 2. So this becomes 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is tan 45, that is 1. Okay. Now take LCM in the numerator. Okay, you have 2 here, 1 and root 3. So 2 root 3 becomes LCM. Okay, so 1 by 2 into this is root 3 plus LCM minus 2 by root 3 into this, root 3 get cancelled, you will get 2 into 2, that is 4. So this is in the numerator, and now in the denominator, on solving, you'll get LCM as it is, and here 2 2s are 4, Okay, because this 2 by root 3 should multiply with LCM. So root 3 will cancel, 2 2 is a 4. Okay, same thing with here. So 2 and 2 will get cancel, you'll get just root 3. Okay, and here you will get plus 2 root 3. This is in the denominator. Okay, now if you see, you have same thing in both of the denominator, so they will get cancelled. Okay, remember this. Next is solving the numerator part. So root 3 plus 2 root 3. See, it is like x plus 2x. Root 3 root 3. So this become 3 root 3, right? And here you have minus 4. So I will write it as minus 4. Okay, divided by, here if you see, this is 2 root 3 plus root 3. Again 3 root 3. But this is plus 4. Got it? Now you have to do what? Rationalization. Why? Because in the denominator you have the root value. Okay. So on doing the rationalization, after doing it, means you have to multiply and divide by this value. Okay. Whatever you have in the denominator, just the opposite sign of that. You have to change this value. If it is plus, you have to write minus. 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay. Now if you see here, this and this are same. It is a into a. So this becomes, yes, a square, correct? So the whole value is the square of the given these numbers, and here if you see, it is in the form of a square minus b square, so which is equal to this. Okay, so I hope you have understood till here. Now on solving this, you have to use the formula 3 root 3 a square plus b square minus 2a b, okay, divided by, solve this. So here you will get 9, and 9 into 3 is 27. Why? 3 square is 9, and root squaring will get cancelled, so you will get 3. So 9 3 is a 27 minus 4 square is 16. Okay, so on solving, again you will get 9 3 is a 27 minus 16. Here 3 2 is a 6, 6 4 is a 24 root 3. Okay, this divided by how much? 11. So on solving, the final answer will be 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Okay, so again we have followed the same steps. Okay, if there is some mistake in third one, the method is same. You will get the same answer as provided in the last page of your book, that is in the answer section, but you have to follow the same method. Got it? Now moving to the fifth question of this main. See, this is your fifth question. 5 cos square 60. So 5 into, what is cos 60? Yes, it is 1 by 2, right? Plus 4 into sec 30. What is sec 30? It is reciprocal of cos 30. What is cos 30? Yes, it is root 3 by 2. So reciprocal of that, that is square, minus tan 45 is 1 square, whole divided by sin 30 is 1 by 2 square, plus cos 30 is, yes, root 3 by 2 square. So first square and find the value. So this becomes 5 into 1 by 4, plus this becomes 4 into 4 by 3, and this is minus 1, divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Correct? Now on solving, in numerator you will get 5 by 4, plus here you will get 16 by 3 minus 1, and this is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4 by 4, that is 1. So this will get cancelled, directly get 1. Now just solve this numerator. So 4 3's LCM is 12, correct? And here you will get into 3. I hope you know this. 5 by 4 into LCM, 16 by 3 into LCM, and 1 into LCM. All this term will get multiplied with LCM. So you will get 4 3's. So 5 3's are 15 plus 3 4's. So 16 4's are 64 minus 12 1's are 12. So on solving this, you will get the value of, add this, minus 60 minus 12, you will get 67 divided by 12. This is the final answer. I hope your doubt is clear in the first main. Okay, now moving to the second main. So I hope you have understood the first question of the exercise 2. Now moving to the second question, they have given choose the option and justify your answer. So 4 options are given. You have to find the value and match with the answers. First is 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30, okay, degree. So 2 into what is tan 30? Yes, it is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. So on solving, in the numerator you will get 2 by root 3 and in the denominator you will get 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, now take the LCM. This remains same and here LCM is 3, so this becomes 3 plus 1, you will get 2 by root 3. Bring this to numerator, you will get 3 by 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4. Now on solving you will get 2. Okay, so this is 3 by 2 root 3. Again you have root value in the denominator, so just do the factorization. Okay, how are you going to do that? Yes, just multiply with the same number. Okay, here whatever you have, 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3. So how much will you get? Sorry, just root 3, not 2 root 3. Yes, you have to multiply and divide just by root 3. There is a mistake, change it. Yeah, now it's correct. So on doing this, you will get the value as this becomes 3 root 3 and this is 2 into 3, correct? So 3 will get cancelled and you will get the value as root 3 by 2. So what is this value? If you see this reciprocate, you will get 2 by root 3, correct? What is the value of 2 by root 3? Yes, this is sine how much? 60, correct? But you have got reciprocal of that. So what is that? Exactly, it is cosec 60. Now look at the option. Do we have the value of cosec? No, you don't have cosec, but you have, this is also what? Root 3 by 2, sorry. Root 3 by 2 is the value of sine 60, correct? Not cosec 60, sine 60. Okay, you can refer the root 3 by 2. Yes, it is the value of sine 60. So our answer is option number A, that is sine 60. Okay, moving to second question. 1 minus tan 45. So 1 minus 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 square. So this is 0, right? 1 minus 1 is 0 and this is 1. Anything with divided by 0, divided by any number with 0 is 0 itself. So the answer is option number D. Okay, next is question number 3. See, they have given sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. For what value of a? Okay, so now look at the option. If you take 0, this whole becomes 0 and here also this becomes 0. So sine 0 is 0, 2 into 0 is also 0. So only this condition will be satisfied. If you take this, here this becomes 60. So sine 60 is not equal to sine 30. Sine 45 becomes 90 here, 2 into 45. So sine 90 is not equal to sine 45. Same with this case. So these three are wrong. Only option number A is correct. Okay. Yeah. Next is question number 4. So in fourth question, they have given, as you can see, 2 tan 30 degree. So 2 into tan 30 is, yes, 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan square 30, that is 1 by root 3 square. So on solving, you will get 2 by root 3 in the numerator divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. Now to the LCM, you will get the numerator remains the same. Here you have to do LCM, so you will get 3 minus 1. So 2 by 3. If you bring this to numerator, this becomes 3 by 2. So 1, 1, 1, 1. So answer is 1. Which value gives 1? Do you have any option, or am I wrong anywhere? Yes, exactly. Here this is root 3, not 3. I have written wrong. So this gets cancelled. You will get 3 by root 3. So rationalize this. On rationalizing, you will get 3 root 3 and root same. So only 3 will be there. 3 cancel. You get root 3. Root 3 is value for tan 60. So that is our answer. That's all. Okay. Now moving to the next question. I hope you are understanding. Kindly do like it if yes. Next, if tan a plus b, okay, is equal to root 3. This is very important question. And tan a minus b equals to 1 by root 3. Okay, where a plus b lies between 0 and 90 degree. Fine. Okay, and a is greater than b. Find a and b. Okay, so what value of tan is 30? We know that tan 30 degree is root 3. Sorry, tan 60 degrees is root 3. And tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. It means what? They have given a plus b as 60. Correct? A plus b as 60 and a minus b as how much? Yes, 30. So do as per the linear equation. This will get cancelled. Here you get 2a and this is 90 degree. So a is 90 by 2, which is equal to 45 degree. So the value of a is 45 degree. And what about b? Yes, substitute in either 1 or 2. So b will become 60 minus a. So 60 minus a is 45, which will be equal to 15. So angle B, the value of B is 15 degree. Okay, and you can see also both of them, okay, should be less than or equal to 90 and more than 0. So you can see here it is, the total is 60. So they are satisfying both the condition, and A is more than B. You can see A is more than B. So our answers are correct. Okay. Now the last main, we have true or false and we have to justify it. The first question is sine a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b. Is it true? Okay, let us take 0, a as 0 degree and b as 30 degree. So sine of a plus b is 0 plus 30. And is that equal to sine 0 plus sine 30? Let us check. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. Here it is 0 and this is 1 by 2. So they are equal to 1 by 2. Here it is satisfying. But what if you take more than 0? Okay, if I take a as 30 and b as 60, let us check. Okay, or b as 45. So you will get, okay, if you take 45, how much is this? 65, but for that 75 but for that we don't have any value, so I will take here 60. So 60 and 30 is 90. So this is sine 90 is equal to sine 30 plus sine 60. So on solving this, sine 90 is how much? 1, and sine 30 is 1 by 2, and this is root 3 by 2. So RHS is 2, 1 plus root 3. So this is not equal to 1, therefore this is false. Okay, I hope you have understood. Moving to question number 2. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Is it? See, they have given 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is for 0 degree, this is for 30, 45, 60 and 90. So you can see as theta is increasing, okay, even the values are increasing from starting 0 till 1. So this is true. So option number, question number 2, the answer is true. Correct. Moving to third question now. The value of cosec theta increases as theta increases. No, it is in reverse case, right? It is like 1 root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 3, 1 by 2 and 0. So if there was decreases, this is correct. But since they have written increases, this is false. Now, fourth one. What is the question? Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all the values. Is it? No. See, if I take sine 0, that is 0. But for cos 0, it is 1. So they are not equal. So even this is also false. You can justify like this. Last question. Cot A is not defined for the value of A as 0. Is it? Okay. What is tan 0? It is 0. What is cot 0? It is 1 by reciprocal. And this, whenever you have 0 in denominator, it is not defined. So they have given the same thing, therefore it is true. Okay. So these are the answers of the questions of the exercise 8.2. It is also called as 11.2 for the SSLC, that is Karnataka board textbooks. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the questions. Okay. And if you find any mistake or any correction, you can kindly write it in the comment section. Okay. So other than that, practice them well. Okay. And don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you all in my next video. And one more thing, in the basic explanation of all this concept is explained. Okay. It is there in the description box, both in Hindi as well as the English. You can refer it to uh, get the clear concept. Okay, to get the concept clear. Okay, then see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.